the GCSAA Education Conference, the Trade Show, the GCSAA Golf Championships. It all happens just once a year at the Golf Industry Show. And in 2014, the industry's greatest gathering takes place February 1st through the 6th in Orlando, Florida. New this year, the Education Conference and the Trade Show will be 4 days only, running Monday through Thursday, with countless hours of networking and exclusive access to the latest educational opportunities in golf course management at the GCSAA Education Conference. You will have 2 days to connect with experts from various corners of the industry as you work your way through the trade show floor, packed with innovative products and services that you won't find anywhere else. If you're looking for the perfect networking opportunity, make plans to attend the opening night celebration on Tuesday evening. This is the perfect opportunity to connect and socialize with your peers. Also on the schedule is a new and exciting closing celebration on Thursday evening, intended to provide you with a relaxing environment to unwind after a successful week and energize you for the 2015 event in San Antonio. Head to Orlando early and kick off the week with your peers at the ultimate networking event, the GCSAA Golf Championships. This year's event will be held at the Disney Grand Floridian Saturday through Monday, February 1st through 3rd. With the 4-ball mixer on Saturday, the Shamble on Sunday, and the National Championship and Golf Classic on Sunday and Monday, there's something for every golfer. Mark your calendar now to attend the 2014 Golf Industry Show in Orlando, where you will find new ways to connect, learn, and grow. For more information, visit golfindustryshow.com.